Down to RV fans, where have we been? We haven't released a video in quite some time. Well, this work camp job is full-time and taking quite a bit of energy. I also got a little bit burned out on YouTube for a minute there. We've been getting questions why we haven't released any videos, and I thought I would just update you guys. We are still work camping. We are still in the Florida Keys. We're still having a great time, just been really busy, and like I said, I got a little burnout and needed a break. I haven't forgotten about the giveaway. We're going to be doing the giveaway when we release our internet video, Internet on the Road. And this video here today is just a little daily vlog of us living in the resort and things that happen while we're here, you know, to show you that life is still quite normal while you work camp on the road. And there's things that need to be taken care of. Anyway, thanks for watching Down to RV. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Oh yeah, one more thing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know how we can improve. Let us know how we did. And subscriptions help our channel. Really motivates us, and we appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. Now, without further ado, let's get to the video.
So this morning we started off with fishing. You'll see that video here. Oh, something got me.
Nice.
Fighting. Oh, poor guy got hooked in the eye, I think. Oh, right next to his eye.
Worst possible hook ever.
Oh, poor baby.
Tina caught one.
Good job, Athena.
No, that was actually Daddy.
Oh, it was. Good job, Daddy.
Look, Mommy.
Look at Athena.
Look, what is he?
Never.
Can I pet him?
See how spiky these are?
Yeah.
Sharp.
Oh, yeah, it did break. We have another one. So, fishing was fun this morning, but now we're gonna go to the pool and have a nice little lunch and enjoy the sunshine and that pool water. It's gonna be really nice. We're gonna show you, it's a little bike ride, not far. So enjoy the ride with us. Bikes are parked. We go to the pool. We have a nice little kiddie pool. And look at that view. The view is beautiful. Okay. Now enjoying some lunch at the pool. Yummy. The pool felt really nice today. It is really, really hot here. The pavers burn your feet, so make sure to bring some sandals, some Crocs or something, and bring a snack, because also you get iguana visitors at the pool. If you go for the apple or not. That has the skin. Yeah, there you go. Oh, he's taking it home, huh? And look who we get to see on the way out of the pool. Daddy! How's your day, honey?
It's good.
It's good?
Life on the islands.
Yeah. Happy Easter!
It's Easter Sunday, and we're still here in paradise.
Yes, we're heading to the community egg hunt.
Yes.
So we're very excited about that. This is for the younger children. And we'll show you what that fun's all about.
Whoop,
Nothing
whoop.
like starting your morning with an egg hunt.
Yeah, right away. Boy, they scheduled this sucker early. 9:30 in the morning. You got to be bright and bushy-tailed.
Yeah. Which is not normally my cup of tea, so.
I know. I'm amazed she's here.
Well, we're gonna show you what's going on. Kids are piling in. Everyone's ready. So cute. Look at this madhouse. Woo! I don't know where they're at. Tina got 27 eggs.
My favorite lollipop!
Whoa! Here in the Keys, you got to do some maintenance, and one of them is spraying off your rig to make sure that you get rid of some of that salt water, especially for your ACs and the undercarriage in your Jeep, just to make sure it doesn't rust out and that you keep it in good condition. So this morning, that's what I'm doing, is spraying it off. So we're gonna start with the roof. So we get the AC. Safina out there. What? Oh, I can't jump off. Oh, geez. It actually looks like we need another waxing on the roof, unfortunately. This is horrible and I don't want to do it. So I just sprayed the passenger side of it and now I'm gonna spray under. So underneath there's a lot of components. But there's also like a lot of salt and dirt and rust. So we're just trying to make sure that we get it all. Just a nice little wash off. Do our jacks. That's very important. See under here. Getting these jacks is really important because they do rust out the springs and the mechanics and all that. We want to get all this on the side that we can. Kind of go like this to get all of there. Now we take the wheel covers off. And do the wheels. Spraying out the wheels. Trying to spray in here as much as possible to get any of the bearings, the brakes. And then the fun part is, oh, this is hard to do holding my camera, is getting up in here. Getting the other wheel. So I sprayed like this on the other side, which we have to make it more of a jet stream.